Hey guys, you're welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install a new washing machine. So I just bought this washing machine today. They brought it today. So this washing machine is called Aqualtis Hotpoint. So I've read the rule and regulation on how to install it. So due to what they said here, you have to remove the A screw, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. The A screw and the what is it called, and the stopper B under the machine, which is this. I've already removed that, which is this. I already done that. So now the screw at the back, I already unscrewed them. So so what I'm going to do right now, the main reason why they said you should remove this screw is for you to enable the machine to wash normally, so that you won't stop the inner machine, which is the one that turn the clothes around, not to be, let me say, wobbling. So it need to be wobbling so that you'll be able to the machine will be able to wash your clothes neatly. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove them. So there is it. It has a hole there. I'm going to remove them, but let me just leave this there. I'll remove the screw, just one after the other. So just like that. I have everything that I'm using here, and I have a lot of clothes to wash right now. So I will just screw it. I will unscrew it. Then it's out. That's second one. I've unscrewed them before, so just for me to remove them. Then when I'm done, the first thing I'm going to do is for me to it's pretty simple to fix. That is, if you understand what you are doing, if you understand how to do it, So as you can see, it's moving a little bit, you see. So that is what we are trying to do. Okay, that is out. So like I said before, I've removed the B. This is the A. I'll remove it. So let me open the inner washing machine. So let me open. So as I was saying before, let's see inside the washing machine. It's very big, as you can see. So I'm a little bit, I don't know, you see the way it's bouncing or wobbling. So that's what I was talking about before. So right now, this is where you put your soap. This washing machine, it washes and same time it dries your clothes. It washes, same time it dries your clothes. So there's something in here also you can use to measure the quality or the quantity of the soap that you are putting, the quantity of the soap you are putting, which is this little guy here. Can just slice it out like this, then you put it here. When you put it here, it will block. So like as I was saying before, you use this little guy here to block where you are putting your soap. So it will help you to measure the quantity of the soap that you are putting here. You have 60, you have 90, you have 120, and from there on up to 210. So when you put the soap there, you have to measure it, depend on the clothes that you are putting. So when you are done, you just slide it up, then the soap will go inside. You can also put other things here, Massimo and many other things. But I don't really know how to use here, but later I'll find that out. You can also read the instruction here. Okay, those. Easy does. Okay, that's time. So what you put here, things that will make your clothes look a little bit soft. That's what you put there. When you are done, you leave this here. It's pretty simple, just like that. Then you close. So that is how you install it. But right now I've not finished. I'm not done with my installation. So this guy here is where the water will be coming out, and here is where the water will be, where it will be draining the water. So this is how you regulate it. How you regulate it right here. But when I'm done fixing all of them, you guys will see how you regulate it here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn it and see how it will go, So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, please. So this is the pipe that you connect from
washing machine.
For the washing machine. So this is the one that will be drilling the water. That will be drilling the water in. So let's fix it. Come this way. So here I have the old one. So I don't know if I should use the old one or I should use the new one.
New one.
Okay. So now this is the old one. They are equally the same thing. There's no changing. So right now, guys, I want to fix the pipe for the water. So that is how you connect it. It's pretty simple, It's not that hard. You can always adjust it anytime you want. Then you come at the back. You put it there. The screw. That is it. Hopefully it's okay this way. So now I've connected the drilling one, the one that will be drilling the water. This is the one that will be drawing the water in. So this is the one that will be drilling the water. So everything is in place. So what I will do now, I will try and on it and see what will happen. So the plug is set. I'll plug it and this on. So I really love this washing machine. I really like it. So the main reason why is because it's asking me to select the language. So you're asking me to select the language. Sorry guys for that. You're asking me to select the language, which is I will select English or Italian language because I'm in Italy, but I will select English. So English, okay. Where would I say okay? But I don't know. Let me see if it will go up. No. How will I say okay? I don't really know how we say okay. I don't really know how we say okay. This is my first time. English. Okay, I found it. So it was this button that is that I should have pressed before. So I've solved that. Everything is in tight. So what I will do right now, I will turn it on. I will leave it a little bit and see what will happen. So I will come back later to come and check what it's actually doing. So I will start it and let's see. When you are selecting, it will be telling you what it does, which is the selection here. You see, you just turn, it will move from one after the other and it will show you what we do. And the times. You can also adjust the time, can reduce, you can also add. So which is written here. This one will end in the it said dry a womb, which is a womb, which is end in 3 hours 30 minutes. So I just want to do a little bit of test, which the one that will last for just, this one say wash and dry 45 minutes. So let's see what will happen. What I'll do right now, I'll put something inside, a little bit of clothes, and see what will see what will happen. So let me pull these two clothes. I have towel and a liquor, a short knicker, and see what will happen. So I didn't put anything. Let me just see what will happen. I close, and let's see. This one said raise, which is just 49 minutes. It's a spin out, which is pump out. Wash and dry. I think I should try this and see what will happen. You know, there's no big deal about that. Let me see. So I'm not putting soap. I will just try this way. So let's click start and see what will happen. Start. It's locked. You can see it's locked. Everything is just in automatic. So let's see what will happen. I'll come back for this later. And you can hear how it's draining.